Hi friends, my name is Krishna. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In my previous video, I spoke about account, different types of accounts, and golden rules of those accounts like personal account, real account, and nominal account. Right? Today, we are going to discuss about the same accounts, personal accounts, real accounts, and nominal accounts. But today I am going to explain about some of the important transactions. You need to, I'll explain to them, but you need to assess before I assess. For example, if I say missionary is what type of account? I'll explain that. You can pause my video and you assess yourself and see whether your answer and my answer is one and the same, so that you can improve your knowledge. Okay, so let us start analyzing or understanding type of accounts. Okay, right. What did we discuss? We discussed about three accounts, right? Personal accounts, real accounts, nominal accounts. I'll take few examples. I'll try my level best to cover almost all transactions. And in case if I missed out something, you can very well try, and you can put update your comments so that I try to answer those questions. One request here is please watch this video till the end, so that you will get to see what kind of subject I am explaining and how it is useful for you. Okay. Number one, I'll keep asking questions. First, capital. Capital is what type of account? Pause the video, take your answer, and then I will tell you. Capital is a personal account. Why it is personal account? I'll explain while explaining the journal entries. Capital is a personal account. Personal accounts are three types: natural persons, artificial persons, and representative persons. Which type of personal account it is? Capital is a representative person. Clear? Number two, drawings. Drawings is what type of account? Drawings is also a personal account. What type of personal account? Representative person. Third one, machinery. Machinery is what type of account? Machinery is an asset. Machinery is an asset. All assets comes under real account. So machinery is real account. 3, 4. Vehicles. Vehicles, what type of account? Vehicle is also an asset. Vehicles comes under real account because it is an asset. Debtors. Debtors. Debtors is a personal account. What type of person? Natural persons. It can be artificial person also. Debtors can be natural persons or it can be artificial persons also. Next, creditors. Again, creditors are personal accounts. What type of personal account? It can be natural, it can be artificial also. Clear? Seventh one, goods. Goods, very, very important point, guys. As long as goods are in my inventory, my stock, as long as goods purchased and they are in inventory, goods will be treated as an asset. So it is a real account. Again repeating, as long as goods are in my inventory, it will be treated as a current asset. It will be treated as a current asset, so it is a real account. Here one important point we need to take. When we purchase the goods, while preparing the journal entry, we debit purchases. We generally don't debit goods. We debit purchases. This is what we study in our regular +1, +2, CA Inter or BCom 1, 2, 3 years, right? When we purchase goods, we debit purchases. Anyway, I'll explain all these journal entries later. For time being, let us understand like this. When we purchase the goods, we debit purchases. Now, what do you mean by purchases here? Purchases are basically, I'm purchasing goods, right? But when we purchase the goods, people might ask you, purchases is what type of account? Purchases is what type of account? As long as whatever goods you purchased and they are in inventory, it is a real account. If they are being transferred to production, then it will be transferred to P&L account, then your purchases will become nominal account because it will become an expenditure. Clear? Even institute says this. You can note down, you can refer institute material. As long as goods purchased and kept in inventory, as the inventory is a current asset, it will be treated as a real account. Again repeating, when we purchase the goods, as long as goods are kept in inventory, goods will be treated as a current asset. So it is a real account. When we debit purchases and when we transfer these goods to your production, it will become an expenditure. So your purchases will become an expenditure. So since purchases is an expenditure, because now it is coming out of inventory, your purchase is nothing but goods coming out of inventory to your production. So it is expensing off. So your purchases will be treated as an expenditure. All expenses and losses will be covered under which account? Nominal account. So when I see purchases as such, it is a nominal account. Whereas the same purchases kept in inventory, not being sent to the production, not being transferred to P&L account, as long as they are in balance sheet as a current asset, the goods will be treated as a real account. So be very, very clear on this point, guys. Similar way, sales. Goods sold. As long as goods are there in inventory, goods is a real account. Once we sell those goods, it will become your revenue, income. Right? So once it becomes an income, all incomes and gains will come under nominal account. So sales will become what? Your nominal account. Clear? So purchases, nominal account. Sales, nominal account. Goods, real account. Assumption is goods is part of my inventory, hence I am treating goods as a real account. I hope you guys are clear on this point. Then salaries. Salaries is an expenditure, nominal account. Interest paid, expenditure. All expenses and losses comes under nominal account, so nominal account. Interest received, income. All incomes and gains comes under nominal account. Interest received is a nominal account. Commission paid. Commission paid is an expenditure. So nominal account. Commission received, not receivable. Commission received. Income. Commission received is an income. So comes under nominal account. Clear? Next. Salaries payable. Salaries paid expenditure. Payable is a liability. Please try to understand. Salaries paid is an expenditure because you paid. Salaries payable is a liability. Salaries payable are outstanding salaries. What type of account? Payable to whom? Person, right? So salaries payable is a personal account. What type of person? Representative person. Why it is representative person? Salaries payable account will be credited on behalf of a person. Hence, salaries payable account will be treated as a representative person. Next. Rent paid expenditure. Paid expenditure. Nominal account. Rent payable. Rent payable. Rent paid is an expenditure. Payable is a liability. Payable is a liability. So rent payable is what type of account? Rent payable to whom? It is payable to a person. So rent payable comes under personal account. What type of person? Representative person. Why it is representative person? Rent payable account will be credited on behalf of a person. Hence, rent payable account is a personal account, that too a representative person. Clear? So, I gave you many examples here of personal account, real account and nominal account. Why these examples are required? I can cover some more also. But what I suggest is, in case if you have any doubts, apart from the ones which I covered here, you can give your comments. I'll answer those questions. But you should know what type of transaction we are dealing with. For example, capital. If you don't know which account it is pertaining to, it doesn't look nice. So that is the reason I thought of taking one video only explaining about the type of examples for the different type of accounts. That is what has been done. I hope you are clear about the topic, and thanks for watching this video. I hope you like the content. If you like the content, please like my video, share this video with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.